RTX card?
No.
Yes, it's not RTX, it's GTX.
GTX. So does it if the bigger the card is, does that mean the more better graphics you get?
No. It can be bigger, but it depends what how much CUDA cores, how much gigs of RAM it has, and size, for how big it is, doesn't really matter, but it could have a huge cooler, it could be like this. So.
Okay, what's the
There's
difference?
different coolers like 3060, for example. You can get it in a single fan variant that basically looks like that. You can also get it in a dual fan variant, and I believe some companies make a triple fan
Some also
version.
make 4.
Yeah, some also make 4 and
Quadruple.
Michael.
Also, one thing that Jake kind of touched on, every single GPU has some amount of RAM, random access memory as well.
These probably have megabytes.
It's different. Yes, it is different. This is a 4 gigabyte model, if I'm correct. 4
Yes.
4 gigabyte model. So, these things probably have megabytes of RAM. This has
512, I'm guessing, and
possibly.
maybe 1 gig.
So we see it with different computers. Even your GPU has random access memory. Okay. So when you're lining up your CPU, it has this little gold arrow right here, and on your motherboard it'll have that same arrow. And you basically just drop it in, and then you will take this and you will push it down and put it under. That will lock it into place. With some motherboards, most modern motherboards, you will have this basically screw into the back plate. Ours, since it is an old case, you simply screw this directly into there. Do not smush your CPU. It's really bad for it, but usually they will only go as far as it allows you to. Then you're going to take your RAM.
Standoffs.